Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP, USD, GBP, JPY, and others, you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So the market is open and we can see that Euro USD has formed a big green candle here. Okay. So things have not changed much at all. The setup has remained the same, so I will not stretch the video. Okay. If you want a detailed analysis for Euro USD, then please watch the video that I have uploaded on Saturday. Okay. Just, uh, just I'm telling that strongest support at 1.1280 and the strongest resistance at 1.1480 and 1.1500. So these two are the strongest resistance and the strongest support in the market right now. And after the market opening, market has bounced from the temporary support, minor support of 1.1300 level. So it gives us the confirmation that yes, next time when market will be coming down here, we can expect a bounce again. So this is a buy level for us. But keep in mind, in case there is a heavy selling on Euro USD, this is not the level we can rely. This will be the level. Okay, because this support is stronger in comparison to this support. So minor support is good, okay, and minor resistance at 1.1400. One thing I would like to mention here that my dear friend, keep in mind right now market is in the middle. If you have taken a buy position, well and good, you have done a good job. Hold on to your position. But if you have missed the opportunity, like me, because see when the candle was formed, I was sleeping. Okay. So if you have missed the opportunity, then my dear friend, this is not the right time to take any position here because the risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor. Market is in the middle. Just have a look here. If you buy here, your SL will be here and this will be your take profit target. So your risk to reward ratio is not in your favor. And if you sell here, as your SL will be here, this will be your take profit target. So your risk to reward ratio does not match at all. So if you have missed the train, sorry my dear friend, I have also missed it. Okay, no need to worry, there are multiple opportunities in the market. Okay, the week has started, we will get another opportunity on Euro USD. So this is it. Okay, just keep in mind, do not trade in the middle. Okay, try to trade on the levels that we can rely upon. And most importantly, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management because market is extremely volatile and sensitive right now. Following proper risk management is extremely important. And most importantly, protect your hard-earned money in this market condition. Okay, bye-bye.